Hey everyone, welcome to TestNG XML session. So, what is TestNG XML? So, the main use of TestNG XML is to create multiple tests and handle multiple classes and run the test dependencies. All these things can be done while executing the test using TestNG XML. So, here is an example of TestNG XML file wherein we have the sample set of data which is given inside the TestNG XML file. First comes the suit name, whatever the suit which you are running, you have to specify the suit name. Next comes the test name. After the test name, you have to specify the classes and then the class name, whichever you want to run. And then comes the test name. Inside the test name, we have multiple test classes or test execution methods. So we specify whatever the method which we require for execution. So moving ahead, how do you convert a file into testng.xml file? So first you click on the package of your project, and then if you have already installed the TestNG plugin, you will get a TestNG plugin on the screen. Right click on the project and then navigate to TestNG. Inside this you have convert to TestNG file. So once you click on this, you will see a pop-up box like this. This is the Eclipse IDE which I have used for converting it to testng.xml. So whatever the basic configurations are already specified, you keep the same configurations and click on finish. So once you do that, you see this particular piece of code being added as a testng file in your test package, test framework. So what is the main advantages and then what are all the details which is used for testng? So the main set of details which is used is a suit. What is a suit? A suit is a representation by one XML file and it can contain one or more tests and it is defined by a suit tag. You might have seen the suit tag in your XML file. This is the suit which we specify. And then a test. A test, we already discussed what is a test and then how we declare the test method. This is the test name. Whatever the test name which we are specifying using the test annotation. So moving on, we also have classes and then test method name. So what are the main advantages of TestNG.xml? It helps in prioritizing our test methods. It has listeners who can help in creating the logs. We can even add the loggers for this using TestNG logs. And it allows in grouping of the test. For example, if you want to group some particular set of test, saying whenever you have to execute a smoke test, you can group a set of smoke tests by specifying the parameters, by specifying the tag names, and using the tag names, you can even group them and then you can use the different annotations, and then there are multiple things which is there inside the testng file. So these are some basic things of a testng file. What are all the different annotations which is present in a testng file? So some of the basic annotations which we have in the testng xml file is before suit, after suit, before test, after test, before groups, after groups, before class, after class, before method, and an after method. So, as the name itself specified, before suit means before execution of the suit, what needs to be done. And after suit means after execution of that suit particular case, what needs to be done. In the same way, we have for class, we have for test, and we have for particular set of groups before the group and after the group. What needs to be done before the set of piece, that particular piece of code is being executed, and what needs to be done after that particular piece of code is being run. All these things can be specified in testng.xml file. The main project modules is divided into multiple things. For example, if you consider a manual testing, comparing it with automation, you can categorize the automation suite in the same way. So method means a test case, a class means a test scenario, classes means the module, test means the integration between multiple modules, and the suite means the complete overall system which you need to test. The hierarchy in testng.xml is suite is the first tag which is used, and then we have test, and then we have classes, and then we have class, and then we have methods. After that, we have test name. This is the hierarchy of testng.xml. So I think, yeah, the main source of all this documentation is the testng website only. Thank you.